Hi everyone, welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. In today's video, I'm doing some everyday cleaning and some deep cleaning as well, so stay tuned for that. This video is full of extreme cleaning motivation and I want you to clean along with me or use this time while watching and create your own to-do list for the day. I'm starting in the kitchen today because I have a lot to do in here, so I want to get it out of the way first. I'm starting by washing the dishes, and I want to know if you hand wash your dishes or you have a dishwasher. I never used a dishwasher because we didn't have it while I was growing up, but I'm planning to get one in the future.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were.
And now I'm wiping down the counters and the backsplash before I move to the stovetop.
We stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up
And now I'm moving to the oven. I will spray it with the greaser and leave it on for a couple of minutes before I start scrubbing everything. And in the meantime, I will clean the oven rack.
I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back.
I will also clean our microwave, which is disgusting, and I have a little tip for you if you don't know it already. Before you start cleaning, heat up a bowl of water with a lemon in it. That way you will easily remove all the sticky pieces and gunk without scrubbing after. And while that is heating, I will start scrubbing the oven.
I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now.
My oven wasn't that bad this time because I also cleaned it before the holidays, but I still wanted to clean it now because I used it so much in December and I honestly thought it was dirtier. I like to clean my oven as often as possible because I really don't like to clean it if it's too dirty.
I keep the faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance.
Now I'm going to clean the microwave, and you can see that I'm just using wet cleaning cloth and wiping everything down without any scrubbing, and everything came right off, so I really recommend that method for cleaning your microwave.
So take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take
Now I'm scrubbing the sink before moving to my next deep cleaning
a
task.
chance on faith.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling.
I'm picking everything from the table, and then I'm going to start emptying the fridge. Our fridge is so disgusting because of the holidays. We had so much food in there, so I really needed to get that done.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too?
As you can see here, there were so much crumbs and food stains. This is probably the dirtiest my fridge has ever been, especially that bottom shelf and drawer. I'm spraying everything with my homemade cleaner, which is vinegar and baking soda mixed with water, and at the end I will wipe the shelves with a glass cleaner.
But it's hard because I'm falling, 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 falling.
And now I'm just putting everything back and organizing it. I'm seriously so happy that I got this done because it was so dirty and disorganized, and I really hate that. Now I'm moving into the bathroom. I'm spraying bath towels first so the cleaner can work while I clean the rest of the bathroom, and I will scrub that down at the end. And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really wanted to do more for this video, but I ran out of time. But I'm so happy that I got things done in my kitchen. I also have to organize almost all of my kitchen cabinets, but that's the job for the next time. I hope you got everything done, and if not, I have a cleaning playlist in the description below if you need more motivation. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!